Good morning, class. Today I am going to take your maths class and we are going to do revision of addition and book work. Okay? So are you ready? So let's start. Okay. Now we solve this sum. Okay, kids? Now tell me which sign is this? This is sign of plus. Plus means addition. Now first we will read the sum. Unit tens. 4, 3, 43 plus 1, 1, 11. Now tell me, which side we will solve the first? Yes, unit side, this side. Okay? Now read unit side. 3 plus 1. So, 3 is upper number, ऊपर का number, and 1 is lower number, नीचे का number. 3 plus 1. So, 3 goes on our head and 1 on finger. Like this. 3 goes on our head, 1 on finger. 3 goes on our head, 1 on finger. Hit the 3. What comes after 3? Yes. 4. So, answer is 4. Answer is 4. Okay? Now, 10 side. 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1. 4 is upper number and 1 is lower number. 4 goes on a head and 1 on finger. 4 plus 1. 4 goes on a head. 4 head पे चला गया and 1 goes on finger. So 1 is on finger. Now hit the 4. What comes after 4? Yes. 5. So answer is 5. So write down 5 like this. Okay? Now this way you have to do addition. Now do 3 sums and send it to me in your maths notebook. Okay, kids? Kids, take out your book number 2, page number 4 to 42. Now look at the picture and tell me, what did you see there? Yes, balloons. Now how many balloons are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balloons. Now who is this? Bunny. Now color of t-shirt? Yes, yellow. And what is the color of scarf? Yes, green. Very good. Bird. Now color of the bird is purple. Very good. Now mention today's date. Numbers 7171-8080. Now everyone read aloud. Okay? Speak loudly. 7171. 7272. 7373. 7474. 7575. 7676. 7777. 7878. 7979. 8080. Very good. Now come to the next page. 4343. Now mention today's date. It's practice time. Write the numbers 7171 to 8080. Now 7 1 71. So write down 7 1 71. 7 2 72. 7 3 73. 7 4 74. Touch the bottom line. Okay, kids. 7 5 75. 7 6 76. 7 7 77. 7 8 78. 7 9 79. 8 0 80. Now find out how many honey bee in this page. Tell me. Yes, there are 2 honey bees. Find out. Yes, very good. 1 and 2. Very good. Now, you have to do this 2 row, okay? Same way. Done? Now kids, come to the next page, page number 4444. Tens and ones. We have already learned tens and ones in our earlier class. Okay? Now mention today's date and read aloud. Here we have numbers 71 to 8080. 71. 70 and 1 more means 71. Here we have 2 digits 7, 1, 71. So 7 comes under tens and ones come under ones. Same way 72, 70 and 2 more 72. 7 2. 7 come under tens and 2 comes under ones. 73. 70 and 3 more 73. 7 comes under tens and 3 comes under ones. 7 4. 70 and 4 more 74. 74. 7 5. 70 and 5 more means 75. 7 6. 70 and 6 more 76. 7 comes under tens and 6 comes under ones. 77. 70 and 7 more means 7 7. 77. 7 comes under tens and this 7 comes under ones. 77. 7 8. 78. 70 and 8 more means 78. 7 8. 78. Now 7 comes under tens and 8 comes under ones. 7 9. 79. 70 and 9 more 79. 8 0 80. 70 and 10 more means 80. 8 0 80. 8 comes under tens and 0 comes under ones. Okay? Now come to the next page, page number 4545. Mention today's date. Practice. Read the numbers. Identify the numbers in tens and ones places and write them accordingly in the given space. Number Here we have number 71 to 8080, and here we have tens, ones, columns. Okay, so what we will do, we will write them accordingly given space. Means 71, 71, so 7 times tens and one more. So write down 7. We have 2 digits, it means 7 and 1. 71. 1 comes under ones. Again we have 2 digits, 7, 2. So 7 comes under tens and 2 comes under ones. Same way 7, 3, 73, 7, 4, 74, 7, 5, 75, 7, 6, 76, 7, 7, 77, 7, 8, 78, 7, 9, 79, 8, 0, 80. 8 comes under tens and 0 comes under ones. Okay, so this way you have to do this 2 row. Your writing should be very neat and clean, and formation should be perfect and touch the bottom lines. Okay.